Try to switch it up. Look like she in the wrong house.
Welcome to Hoodwatchnews. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Excuse me?
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, why she like, yeah, like, come on, bruh. Like, what is this? He ain't even run. He just kind of little speed walk.
Yeah.
He just walked. He ain't really
Yeah,
speed
yeah.
walk.
Keep running.
He's not even running. Nah, people are crazy to even be trying this when a lot of people have Ring cameras and stuff like that. So I don't know.
Somebody was trying to take the mail. Seriously? Dead serious.
We got some petty thieves riding around stealing people's patio furniture.
Dang,
This is the
for
second
real?
video I've seen them in.
That's crazy. Dang. He didn't even know where to put that. Dang.
Really?
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, if I saw a lady like this, I would just think it's a crackhead. I ain't gonna hold you. No offense.
We can't answer the door right now.
Bro he should have just wear a ski mask at this point. He over here wearing that, he just covering his mouth. Like, come on, bro. What was he doing?
This guy's a complete POS. When a worker goes in the back, he steals his tip money.
Nah, that's crazy. And I bet you it was a whole bunch of ones and all that, you know? Like, come on, bro. It's not worth it.
Don't forget about your other options. This lady comes out just a little too late to catch this guy.
Using
Yeah, it's too late later.
Toast or has a location, that.
Yeah, it's way too late.
That's they don't understand.
Is she trying to press the ring button? What? What's she doing? Is she trying to type in something? She think nobody ain't gonna see her or something? Dang. Okay. That was so unnecessary. This man over here. God, bro. There's no way they'd be doing that.
This guy's refusing to leave.
Sorry.
It's crazy when the police isn't a threat anymore.
I'm calling the police.
Yeah, that man ain't phased by you saying that.
Okay, go ahead.
He's telling some go ahead. Bro was like, I don't mind going back at this point. It's like, there's no way, no bro. I know y'all see the ring thing though, like. Now I know If she ring the doorbell, I know a lot of y'all will open that door. Just saying. Not me though.
Oh,
See, look. See, that's how they get
Don't
you.
forget to keep your doors locked.
They sense
The
one
owner
like
of these
that.
vehicles left all of their cars unlocked. Also, try to
Bro, that
refrain
is
from keeping your
crazy.
personal information in your car.
Why would you leave your
Check this guy
car
out.
unlocked
4
and
in the
your
morning, he's just standing on these people's porch, looking at a bunch of guys.
the like? Come on, bro. What?
Must be another grinder situation. I'm learning.
Dang, he for real was on. Bro, you really trying to see all that? Come on, Damian Lillard.
Please be aware of your surroundings. This lady gets carjacked.
Where is the lady? Oh, she right. Oh shoot.
Make sure you keep those doors locked.
She
We
should have
always
took
got
the
some
key
late
out
night
and all
door
that.
checkers. Not sure what they got going on.
Yeah, spit on the grass. Come on, bruh. Dang. And that's what them DoorDash people are. Guess some Amazon people they be doing that. That's crazy.
right.
Dang. Dang. She trying to break the window. I mean, is that someone she know? Like, it was that her man's that cheated or something like that, or her friend that slept with her man? I don't know.
If you have to leave your stuff outside, please at least try to lock it up. We're
Yeah,
making
a
it too easy for
bike.
these guys.
Yeah, can't be doing that. Brody trying to see if it fit him. He don't care. He just like, I might as well take that. It's crazy. Man, they love them bikes, bro. Good grief. Ain't a scooter? Come on, bro. Really? Dang.
I
That's
really
crazy.
appreciate you
She got
guys
the
watching. We just hit
mask on
2,000
like it's
subscribers.
COVID.
I
Like,
really
come on, bro.
cannot thank you guys enough. I just hope you guys continue to grow with me.
That man was like, that was easy. He about to go hit another one. Nah, that's crazy, bro. Dang, Cleveland too?
Feels like I've been saying it for the past 3 months, but the
She gonna
holiday
hop the
season is
fence?
here. I'm sure a lot of you guys have been ordering things or getting ready to see what kind of gifts you about to send out. Check out the Amazon lockers, PO boxes. You can get
Dang.
boxes sent to your job instead of your home, just in case somebody might take it.
I don't know what happened. Your employees try to take it. Can't trust nobody. Or co-workers, not employees, but
I know I say this a lot, but I really appreciate you viewers. Please be safe out there and enjoy your holiday.
Dang. Yeah, somebody's I was about to say somebody's grandma, but she look like an auntie or something like that. Dang, that's crazy. You can tell they be doing this like it's a job. Dang, out here taking stuff too. Just walking down the street. Just saw that. Man, that's crazy. Don't tell me you live right down the street. Oh, that'd be crazy if you still like one of your neighbors. Like, come on, bro, that would have been crazy. It look like a lot of people that's stealing. Just most of them are homeless. So, oh shoot, you know how to get in and then you not jump started. Be crazy if he did. There's somebody auntie out here stealing stuff and her phone ringing. Dang, she like I'm about to get all this. Dang, this was in Miami too.
Thank you for watching Hoodwatch News. Don't forget.
Man, I'm already sub, but be careful out there. People will take anything nowadays.